All right, welcome back to First Step AI. Today we're going to go through a little bit of a how-to video about Claude. So I actually just signed up to Claude here, and we're going to mess around here for a bit in how Claude is actually maybe a little bit more powerful than ChatGPT, than Google Gemini. And so we're going to go through Claude here a little bit. I just subscribed to the co-work side so we can actually do tasks for me, but for all sakes and purposes of this video, to keep it short and sweet, we're just going to go ahead and use the chat side here for Claude. All right. It's free. You are limited on the free side to a certain amount of credits and stuff like that, but let's get to it. We're going to show you guys how powerful Claude actually is and how you can utilize Claude to grow your small business. We're going to prompt Claude here. So what is Claude? Think of it like having a super smart assistant available 24/7, one that can write, brainstorm, answer questions, and help you get stuff done pretty much instantly. It's made by a company called Anthropic. You can use it for free, as we're going to show you here, and you don't need any tech skills whatsoever. That's the beautiful thing about all these AI tools, guys, is that you don't need to have tech knowledge at all. So 3 ways it will help your business. All right. Number 1, writing. So that's done in pretty much seconds. 2, I would say like emails to customers, really any of the admin side of your daily tasks or routines can be done here. Like if you ever find yourself typing the same answer to multiple customers, it can automate all of that. Maybe you're running a promotion. You can just ask Claude, give me 10 ideas for a summer sale, or, whatever it is that you're doing, like whatever your business is, Claude will customize that for your business. I can show you guys like a live example here and give you guys an idea of what this actually will do. So we're going to prompt Claude here to write a Instagram caption, for example. All right. Write me a friendly Instagram caption for my coffee shop. Announcing a new seasonal drink. So let's see what Claude actually produces here. So I think this is the most powerful side of Claude versus the other things. So now it's prompting, what's a seasonal drink? Is it a floral latte? Is it a fruit drink? We'll just say it's for spring because we're in spring here. What's the vibe of your shop? We'll just say it's cozy and warm. And now it will just produce it for you. This is amazing. Feel free to swap in your actual drink and location tag. Want me to tweak the tone or write a few variations? So this is the kind of things that it's going to prompt you for, so that you don't actually have to think about all the things that go into this post. For example, it will just prompt it for you. That's pretty awesome. If you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button and tick the notification bell for more updates here at First Step AI to use AI tools to grow your small business. I want to thank you guys all for joining today, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.